How to fix photos getting blurry on WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up WhatsApp on a device. Tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now go to settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on storage and data. Now tap on media upload quality. Now select SD quality. Now tap on save. Now go back. If this doesn't fix your issue, go to the settings. Now scroll down, click on apps, tap on app management. Now search for WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear cache. Also make sure to use high quality photos while uploading on WhatsApp status. I hope this should fix your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.